Okay, not a pharmacist, but let me give it a shot. 25 milligrams per kilogram per day. Person weighs 25 kilograms, so that would be 25 times 25. You need 625 milligrams of that medicine every day. But they say take it every 8 hours. So in 24 hours, divided by 8, you'd have to give them 3 doses. So you've got 3 doses, so 625 milligrams, whatever, divided by 3 is 2, 8 and a third milligrams per dose. Okay, and now we have to infuse this stuff. Give me a second. Okay, I'm not using formulas, but this is what makes sense to me. So you have 208.33 milligrams per dose. So the concentration of the stuff is 50 milligrams per liter. So I need to get this many milligrams in them, right? So if there's 50 milligrams per milliliter, no. I have to give them 208.33 milligrams per dose. So if I divide that by my 50 milligrams per milliliter, so each dose is going to be whatever 28 divided by 50 is. So I'm going to have 4.17-ish milliliters per dose. That's how much of the medicine I need to give to them. But then they say you got to add 50 mils of that saline solution, or whatever it is. And so I need to have this much of the medicine, and then I'm adding another 50 milliliters of the medicine, or of the saline, so 54.17 milliliters. That's total what needs to go into that person. So then they say you only get 30 minutes to do that. So what are you going to infuse it at? So, well, I have to get all of that in half an hour. So 54.17 milliliters. I have to do that in 30 minutes. But they want the rate to be milliliters per hour. So let's go 60 minutes is 1 hour. So that'd be 108.34 about milliliters per hour. Is that crazy? 100 milliliters? That's not that much, I don't think. Let me just review. Okay, they have to get that much medicine. They weigh 25, so you times that. That gets you how many milligrams of medicine they need every day. You're doing this infusion 3 times a day, so divide that by 3. And so every dose of the medicine needs 208.33 milligrams. And then, so to figure out how many milliliters of that you have, take that total milligrams and divide it by, that's how many milligrams you need per dose. So if you divide that by the concentration, which is milligrams per milliliter, then every dose has to have 4.17 milliliters of that medicine. Okay, and if you add 50 mils of saline stuff, so they need to get dumped in this amount of liquid every dose. But the dose is 30 minutes. You're supposed to infuse over 30 minutes. So if you want a rating per hour, then you're going to have to double the rating because it's going to be emptied after 30 minutes, or you'll stop it after 30. I don't know. Let me know if it's right. Oh, Rounton, there's 10th. Oh, infuse the medication at 108.3 milliliters per hour. Let me know if it's right or wrong, or where I'm going out to lunch.